One Casabo say yes. Anna me block one so. It is what Basso Babitia Betia. What trunk was as a madame Libedu? No, me church a winner. Lady kind. Me pressing on record say, my wife a try say, Uncle stop post her life with me say, Mempene. I'll do it. But and then no, may ye intro because my promises say from today Sunday to next week Sunday, every day I will come up because package no so. Na me we 7 days you know. Obia be hu ne level straight away. Eti ene eye intro. Sadi we ya me Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Mrs. Samira Bawumia. Ana Samia Uku. Nipa miensa kyei, take note. Others will be later, but these 3 people take note. Someone you want to say, me, and I'm with the look, Dr. Bawumia, make you move campaign one. I don't want to have a problem with you. You need personal problem. But I am saying this with seriousness and pain. Eti, Dr. Bawumia said, Obi Bekasa Oyire Samira, man for nene de da. How will you feel? How will you feel? Ishakusro, let me block him before I continue. When my wife will can no say one person may life. So, how will you feel? See a Becca. Mingophobia so makomiko mami. Miama komiko. Etina me say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Samira Bawumia, and then Samia Wuku take note of today's intro. Because in some of me be biegu hono. It will shock Ghanaians. Number 1, may Hopeson be a politician. May Yere a politician. Number 2, my wife is not contesting any election. Number 3, I am no more MPP member. Take note of this. Now, am I be almost say almost there Bawumia for president 2028? Oko TikToker. Omaye Bawumia. So, almost say Bawumia for 2028. Bawumia for 2028, you know, I know my hide behind. I know more de meyere. Enemy and as you me who bet you made my term 20 years. I don't care. Me found now what the me bamua. Hey, send your bishia. I will crush you one time. Mudina mohu for the past 3 weeks. Every day, a branch our Ghana's above your MPP, no lawyer ladies. ONEGHANA politician be nyemoye. Sade no nkedi awarija ye kra politician. Ana politician no dada na ire se o ma ya abortion. Anu atamo no de wakoto UK. Ana wote hodom na wo se ubegu nkrofo ni mase. Hey. Madam, you steady. I have what it takes to make you miserable. I have what it takes to make you miserable. But my share for the past 3 weeks, menim krofo bebre akasa wo Bawumia camp. O ma pay deaf air to it. It means he say, mo endorse ni omo ye no enye sa. Mo ndi mo nsamo a me be brogu Samira so promo say ya. Mo akasa nka mo to America de dada. Take it from me. Misro biao. se mo betena se na me yira wonye politician na because of mo politics nti na mo teso Bawumia for 2028 na mo di gumi yira ni mu ase a I will give you double dose of what they are doing. Me say nsem bia Bawumia grand go be collapse me na make a show. I am giving you people 24 hours. Whether you do it or not, and there be problem. But me say, I work with the law of Moses. When you slap me, I will slap you and slap you hard. When you step on my toe, I will step on your toe and step it hard. You say a word to the wise. She, I saw for free, a pennyfo be free, any other. My catch room, my show, mo say, and ne, me ye intro, no more who need tia, me say me babe for 7 days. Moja ne wo, sa moja ne wo mumuno, and ya do be the wo be muong. Mo bodam wong. Mabodam hogu mi yire ni mu ase no be make sure me say nsama be pepe okroma sadi pa mi say amabo mudin Dr. Bawumia, Samira Bawumia and Samia Uku, get ready for me. Get ready for me. If you tell me say you don't know them, why can't you release a statement and call them to order? Why can't you do that? Mo bu adam na ase dey. No wa pa bibi gra fa deda. But let me make sure say I put it on record. Sadi na mo ya to hono no. Hwe me yire wo ma. Enkwala yi ba begin wo mo be wo. Wo mo ma ba begin ye kwa akohwe ye nana ne yakikasa sa nana ye nana tiana. Who will explain to them? Ah mo beti ase say na enya nokre. Who will explain to them? Say sa na tie dia ade nyina ye be ko gata no. Me da gata mi sras afiase bia. Edi mani su say me be president adi. Eti me mfa ho. Me ndem mo nyina be ko gata no mu. Mo abobo adam. Eti aye mo de. Me mo bia kwan e ma no ma Yesu so oba beka bi. Mo ma me nka ma asem wie. Na me wo afri kina e ko no. Be bia to mama obi opese obeka bibia no oba beka bi. Me say enye nipa ba ko enye nipa bi no enye nipa miensa from Bawumia camp. Physical da me no. Video ya me physical. Me call the spiritual ways so. Me ka asem na say o di be diagra me mfa ho. But what I plan to do, I will do it. Eje Jimmy sem say wo beka say wo kwa koye campaign amobi. Wo kwa kofo obi a wonye politician. Obi a won man me contest any elections. Not never be see na wudi na tem ehunu na di mwase. Do you know how many years I taking my wife to build her brand up to this stage? Mabubu adam won. Wuti akurase now the nyensen kokko blackmail bema no otabu kokko to abrochira jese won dwene won breye won hu se de setie se de amanfo nam awiam enam anwa so edi kokko pie wa abrochire ni ade no wanye binti no wuti hodum na nkwase asem na wudi. I swear to God hwe saga na jollof yi ada me kan wa ha sei se wo ma me konfo no Samia Ugu obi a obedi atem ho bia wo nye focus maybe we are be block some microphone nyina 7 days ya bibekwa wo nya bi mu nhwe asa padam me say me the facts in the baba now so wo how it feels nkwasi asem sa ya ti krom hanum na ye so Makasa semwe 3 me say go to that page and see me name wife pictures in kwa na tie nsabo omoka sa wumbo damo a will you say those things? Will you say it? It is a banam because Samira Bawumia party mu boys say the dawa bontia. Bawumia, will you be happy? Samira, will you be happy? Will you be happy? What ye? Munya mo trena mo hwade. Mesi anyina wo kromati. Obi anya obi awo. Obi anya obi a. Eti se wo behind crofo say they should disgrace me name my wife ah. Me I will not sit back. Safa manya me no. Atwam ebi ni makwan mu. Me o come here me real. That's my Ma bodam wo hu. Obi atena se. I started from the scratch. Abedi. Aba be do some pempesui. Na wo ti honom na wo kan kwasi asem ne mu asem. More people boys ya mun nam su. Mo eya na mo hu krai mesre. Eya na mo hu ya mesre. Hwe Media so first one 1992 ewo kwame danso. That time na digina boom sending constituency go and ask. Satan na Samia ogunma yi nobody say. Enya 10 years o said na nobody. Mon kola ye ni namu ayeji struggle to make sure say MPP benya power. Namu wo he. Aha. Me say from say media you too so from 5 p.m. up to now what do me area highlight 4 times. No more if you say me was generator o yeah beso. Once they say I call off sisi a neighbor. O de obon say nche on be hey mo intimidate you bia. Me makachemo me say people the way I must say mo be show me disrespect no ho member mo hu say bibi wo wiase member mo hu say bibi wo wiase yati me kachero based on course every Bawumia nkrofo no bi ho aba anwumre asofo ne penifo bi eti me catch obo say enne me mbie nuamaso me ye intro ama manfo hu why I'm saying this eti say mo page na mo abie no say me na me mo targeter Bawumia I can collapse your campaign me na me catch you and yet threat is a promise until you take action na obi di udi ye bibi na say o nye part na say o nji ntumu a what do you do o nyam ni pa na any statement na be you should I disassociate you from that and you say bia me mo amani o not 3 weeks continuous. Hey, me apart from whatever that girl there, me fan. But in some now what they to internet no so. Ama nchire mano. Eti na mani abre. Be say mo amoya associated no. Ade mo so mo se be ko internet no so. Ama mo so mo na no ma be kan yo. I swear to God. Me aba ma mo yire no mate, e ba ma mo kru no mate. Mesaba. Edu so na mente hwe a na fe ma be bie chapter 1. Na ye koye ni musa. Be say Ghanaians will be in shock. Isaba me de baba bonti. Mo abo boadam na mo tete ho no. So movie say obi a na yetache no. I'll fight you to the ladder. Some will come morality. Ye be bie morality no mu pa. Ni ahwe mabubu adam wo wako tare obi kunu hu Amwatamu duah kwakotwa bridge. You are coming to talk about Onunti and then me bebre. I know Moses abo me who say frame me any ade. Salam Mustafa me no waka say nwumre. You promise say obeye bibi. Me catch you say life no dey na me intro no dey it cannot be stopped. Bekoso. Nyankopon ya adomo a ochina ebetoa so. Na de mo say the again nekeka efa me yere ho. Mo de mo beyi mo ni amana keka. Now what that platform ye Bawumia for 2028 ho kwa. Nsemo a mesania fa Samira ho, asania fa Bawumia ho, asania fa Samira wuku ho no. You will be shocked. You will be shocked. Ayem kwasi asem na mudi no. Sade no mo fi say mon sanction ya. Why can't you come out and then disown that person? Why can't you do that? Now for 3 weeks. Anna, a man for the Merida, a man for the Merida. What ya UK? Who ya there who is obeying the Merida? And you are quiet. I am not contesting any primaries with you. My wife is not a politician. Now why you're quiet. And you are enjoying it. They say you get the bitter part of it. Yeah, Obisa, what was your performance at Konkatamanso? Who ye Jimmy for? Unim? Who ye Jimmy for? Jefferson Akuno. 2016. Your candidate, MPP candidate, Enya 26,000 votes. Oh, Konkatamanso. 2020, I got 39,700. 2024, my candidate, age 24,000. Why Jimmy? Won't you ask here? Who ye Jimmy for? Won't you ask here? So, me canon. Say, me, say, why am I some more sunshine your way any day? And there may some mamma the bitter part of it. I swear to God. Me, the medium for MPP who may come back who cry wa bunting. Make one say one. The minimum I say secret and secret. Make back okra. What your pamum pushing na mo hade? Mo pamum pushing na mo hade. O jaman for do obi kunu achi anya tu me say oba be kasa about morality. Ebe kasa about morality. I will be kunu na do akwakwasha brochiri. Won't me ma authentic me ma make say, oh, this is my man. You are crazy. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Wono yire Samira. Sabia uku. I am saying this. Say, Samose munim nipano. You are not endorsing it. Now I know the platform of Bawumia for 2028. Now we are quieter. I'm telling you. Me demu di besie ni papa. Boot for boot. Ewo krom ha say. Me say morality. Ah, ye be bie chapter na go. Morality. All right, abusuafo. Eti say na me kan no. Ene eye intro. Me shada enche. Eti medam ase. Mo a mo ba so. Mo a mo kasa menya botre ne ne kai ka ho nyina no Nyankopon hira mo na bodamfo no so mo ha se o mo twron kwase asem ne de omo meni omo be wi o akire honom block obo nyina free me page no so ho ye kasa nya adwene ne nyansa ne tie nipa na asem a wo ka se wo ane de wo yire akwakosi ayiso for 3 weeks se wo yire ne mema deda wo yire bo adwaman ne ne keka ho a na se be ye wo da then it's up to you. It's up to you. Mo aboda mo ho adwuma wo ye na wo didi ho na mesoso menya bidie no o ba be se na adwuma no o boa. I will fight for my right. Maka samose monti ase amopa baby am pese ekobia yenko. Baby am pese ekobia yenko. Ejimide maka kiremo me say I am giving you the opportunity. Samose enyamo na mwasuma sa afna yina ne maame ye comfort de na sisi form na Sayamuna Musumana, then come out clearly. Then I know what to do. Then yes, I answer so there. Eish. Be a venene mona minimum benya. So you can be a mamu. So I campaign, mamu. Me who campaign one time. Baby, dear, you guys, well, I'm not for them because Mr. Bawumia was my friend. We were together. Paul and Bantam for. More years struggle, no more heaven. No more heaven. Tinyanku Ponshamu. More Mobasuina. Me was a Steve Zuri also. Steve Zuri, you don't call me this time. Me who saw my Hinico Brans and also me who nipa be I was so Yankupon Ishramunina. As so far, now more chese, Bibia be cabo down so Yankupon Shramu. Na minim say Bibia Beposo kama. Yankupo Yaduma, Ochina, 7 p.m. Yabesan Asia. Yankupon Shramu be.